Create the highest, grandest vision possible for your life because you become what you believe. Learn to design your life in the easiest way with us. Hello and welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. Today we have with us Mr. Saurabh Goel, who's the founder of the Golchi Club and an active partner with Three Catalysts. Welcome to our talk show, Saurabh.
Thank you so much for having me here today. Pleasure is mine.
So, Saurabh, tell us more about the Golchi Club and Three Catalysts. Over to you.
Okay. So, Golchi Club is a community that I envisioned in 2018, seeing the difficulties that the youth is having today. So, there are a lot of things that got created in terms of startup economy, startup events. They're teaching them skills, okay, the business skills basically, okay. Some of them are really teaching, some of them is just a bubble of network and network and network. So I tried to create this community as one of the things that helps people grow as a human being first. Okay. If you don't have the maturity to handle things, no matter how many skills you have, you won't be able to develop something that is really good and that is sustainable. So that is very simple thing about Golchi Club, that it is a community of my training participants that I personally train on life design, goal setting, life skills, financial education as well. And the open opportunity for all the Facebook people, they can just join the community anytime, and we pour out a lot of content regarding personal growth. Okay, because ये grow नहीं होगा इंसान तो business इसका reflection है वो भी नहीं होगा कभी, right? And Three Catalyst also is one of the byproducts that came out with one of my partners, Pia Singh, and we thought of helping traditional businesses, SMEs, and people who struggle to grow their business after one level, right? So somebody has created turnover of, let's say, 10 crores. Now he needs a different mindset, a different tool set, and a different skill set, although, right? To reach the 50 crores and 100 crores. And yes, the technical automation of today's 21st century, right? That is big time missing. So we thought of creating those services together and pool in, and now we are growing good.
So that's wonderful, Saurabh. So what is the difference between goal setting and life design?
Okay, so this is my favorite question all the time. Goal setting, as we have learned from our society, is basically, you go to school, then your goal is to get good grades. Simple. So it is by default goal setting. You have not set this goal. This is given to you by birth, right? So your goal is 90%, nothing less than 90%. If you are doing anything like that, you are a criminal in your family or maybe outside in the society. Then after school, you need to get into a good college. Okay. And if you are doing anything apart from engineering, medical, lawyer, CA, you are a family shame. That is again given by society. Then the next goal is to get a good job, right? Or nowadays, maybe start up something. People are now understanding, even families are allowing students to have some fun into startup economy and side by side do the job also. So when we talk about goal setting and career counseling as well, I see a lot of people only talking in these lines, but things are changing today. And for example, I also did my mechanical engineering because I was into the default system. But then I thought, is this all my life about, or I can do something better? So I always had a question, what next? What next? And meanwhile, I happened to travel to Amarnath, and I was like, such a beautiful place exists only 24 hours from my place. And why can't I live here permanently? Such an extraordinary place, right? Mountains, greenery, everything. And then I said, you know what? This is available in every area of life. You can live normal or you can create something extraordinary for yourself. And that's where the journey actually started. I betrayed mechanical engineering. I quit my job within a 15-second decision and learned sales and marketing. And I was an introvert guy, so sales and marketing was not so easy. But yes, 4 years I was done with more than 1,000 sales meetings and all. And then there was no looking back. I am now into 3 different things that are running, and I'm living like, the work from home people are doing today, I started 4 years ago. So that was, for me, it was extraordinary and normal. It is getting normal for people now. Okay. So I do things that are like future that I want to experience. I see from myself, whether you like it or not, I don't care. Right? This is my thing. This is I like. So I am outcasted totally from the society part of, he will not listen to what society says. And social boundaries are not for me. I accept that are useful and significant, but I always betray anything that doesn't make sense in today's time. Because I always like one line said by Steve Jobs, and he said the social boundaries, the rules and regulations are created by people who were no smarter than you. So you can create your own rules and then mend some realities. So life design comes as a concept wherein you think and you sit silent for some time and you think about everything you desire and you want. So somebody may want a lot of money. Somebody say, I don't want it. I want to be a spiritual person and do social work without earning money. Both are successful. If they do it, both are successful, right? But yes, they may not be on a magazine cover. One person becomes millionaire, maybe on magazine cover. A social worker may not be. But that magazine cover doesn't define your success. Your numbers doesn't define success. So success in a simple line said by Earl Nightingale, if you know a goal and you are pursuing it, you are already successful. First thing in place. If you know certain thing that you wish to do and you are doing it, you are successful. So that is a difference. Goal setting in a common area was only career and money. Here we are talking about experiences, we're talking about impact, significance, relationships, finances, and taking care of a very good health, because without this body, we are nothing. So that's the difference.
So that's a lot of clarity. I think you've actually attained for your own self, and that's wonderful, Saurabh, at this age. So how can we use life design for personal goals?
So I say always goals are personal only. There is no professional or personal goals difference. There is no personal or a professional relationship also. A relationship is a relationship that you are developing with a human being. When we say, I am into a professional relationship, I know there is no relationship. It is a transaction happening, right? So similar with goals. Goals happens I'll give you a very simple example. People will understand very easily with this. Let's say I want to buy a Mercedes. I am an automobile guy. I love automobiles. And I want to buy a special model of Mercedes because that comes with an entry to a Mercedes car racing club. So first, Mercedes is a goal. Second, car racing club is a goal because I'll be able to meet those kind of people and I'll be able to race on a Formula One track. So there are three different personal goals attached. And that racing on a track is an experience of a lifetime actually. So people who love driving car will understand what I'm talking about. Now, professional goal is basically about how much I need to grow my business. So to buy that Mercedes, I need around 74 lakh rupees. I will put that goal into my business and I will grow it accordingly. I will not grow it on a form of ki koi aur kya kar raha hai. That company is $1 million valuation. I also need to go to $1 million valuation. Doesn't matter to me. If my business gives me Mercedes, I am more than happy and I am successful in my eyes. So that is where professional and personal goals are no different. There are goals and you divide it into. So basically profession helps you make money. And for a lot of goals, whether it's travel, whether it's luxury, comfort for family, needs of family, all you need is money. Right? So it is anyways the most important part. So it is not actually a goal earning money. It's a need of an hour.
That's amazing what you just said, Saurabh. So, Saurabh, what questions do you think we should ask ourselves when we are actually setting our goals?
So I think we should be asking three different questions. First is, what are my needs? Okay. And in terms of 10 years, nothing in terms of 1 month or 2 months. Okay. In terms of 10 years, what are my needs? Okay. For example, Rashi, do you have a son or a daughter? Right. So if they are around 10 years old, you know that next 10 years, they'll be entering a university. And if they ask for a Harvard, you need 1.5 crores. So if you can calculate like that, you start working today. You know your needs and you can do the planning. That's where the SMART goals comes into picture, right? The second thing, you think in terms of desires and dreams. I need a bike, I can buy a Honda Splendor also, right? But I can buy a Hayabusa also. Both are bikes. I can level up my thinking only when I have my needs in place. Now let's reverse it. What happens is when you are working for desires and dreams, needs come in place automatically by universe. Now that is the shift that I made in my life, that okay, let's not only think about needs, because if I think about survival, I will be surviving only. But when I think of thriving, survival is taken care of by default. Not an easy game to play. It takes a lot of courage to take these kind of steps. But yes, once you are addicted to this is high. This is a different level of high.
I'm sure the way you're explaining it is. So, how does someone actually achieve these goals? Are there any techniques, or there is some study material, or you're doing some exactly, you've designed a program? Tell us about that.
Right. So I would say there are 3 C's that you will need to achieve these goals. The first thing you need is a clarity. Clarity in terms of everything, a very detailed clarity of what all you want. Right. Now, somebody can come and say me, oh, I just want a luxury car. This is not clarity. You need to get into depth of models. You need to get into terms of the brand you want, the customizations you want, the color you want, everything. That is called the clarity of what I want. Okay. So when I was a child, I used to have special hunger. Like, abhi mujhe burger ki bhook lagi hai, kind of stuff, right? So I am specific from very, childhood, but I did not realize this in me. Okay. But as I'm growing older also now, I am becoming more specific towards things that either I have this or either I don't have this, right? First thing is clarity. Second is coaching. That is kind of very, misunderstood thing in India. And I say around the world for a lot of people. You need someone who can guide you. For example, if we want to go to an unknown destination, we call up a travel agent to plan things for us. Okay. And we end up paying some extra money also. And we plan 2-3 months in advance with all the, groundwork, travel plans, and वहाँ पे जाके क्या करना है, all the sightseeing and all the malls कौन सा देखना है, shopping कहाँ करनी है. We plan everything in detail. But that planning cannot happen without someone who already know the place. And that's why we land up to Google. Google knows everything today, right? But life is not like that. If I want to make $1 million, there is no Google to that. I need to find out a mentor who has done it by hand, who understands me as a person, because Google will tell me general things. So we need a person जिसने किया है, जिसके साथ मेरा bonding हो सके, जो मुझे mentor करने को ready हो selflessly. Now, being selflessly, I don't say he will not charge me money, but he will tell me everything in detail at least after charging money. There are a lot of people who charge a lot of money, but they still keep secrets, right? And the third thing, you need a community, right? Because if I teach you something today for 2 hours, and then you go back to a normal life wherein the things are not well, where people are negative, where everybody is saying, oh, this cannot happen, the things will fizzle out very fast. It will be a hot air balloon, jiska gas band hua and it comes down. So you need to be consistently in the people who will keep the fire burning in you. So that's where I created this Golchi Club community. Everybody is crazy. They celebrate small things. We even celebrate 10,000 followers on LinkedIn like crazy, right? Because that is important today, right? So celebrations, pushing each other, helping each other when somebody needs. So I can, although the community is only at 1,200, 1,300 people as of now from 7 countries, but yes, my personal network is more than 1 lakh today. So anybody can come. If a community member asks me, I need this. So 1 lakh network is open. I may create a LinkedIn post that I need this and one of my participants need this, or my community member need this. We reach out to everywhere. So, and it is not about only me reaching out to my network. Other community members also reach out to their network and they bring in things and resources. So clarity, coaching, and community. These are the 3 basic things. And after that, the goal word itself have 4 plans. So you need a growth plan, you need an opportunity plan, you need an action plan, and you need a launching plan. So every year you need to plan launching something new, right? So growth plan is about personal growth, health, intellect, reading, knowledge. Opportunity plan is about which opportunity to choose, which not to choose. Action plan is, if I have chosen to do something, what is the minimum possible action I can do right now? Because if you leave it to tomorrow, you will not take any action. It can be as small as making a call to someone, okay, tomorrow we will have a coaching call with you. It can be as small as action. And then comes the launching plan. Okay, this year is scheduled. What I am launching next year that is in alignment with my 10 years. So it's growth plan, opportunity plan, action plan, and launching plan. So these are 7 steps, I would say.
So there are some great points that you've just shared, Saurabh. Saurabh, what is the right age, for the youngsters, probably just is it out of the school, or also, they just finished their undergrad, where they can actually start getting into this design program?
I think even a 5-year-old kid is the best person to do it, right? Because they have the imagination open. They have no social boundaries as of now, and we have all seen that 5-6 years old kid, they want to be everything. They want to be astronaut. They want to go to skies. They want to touch the stars, and we laugh at them at their innocence. Okay, but that innocence was good. Okay, so the day, I would say, not in terms of age or school or degree, I would say the day you are ready to think freely and you are ready to believe in extraordinary things and you are ready to break the status quo, this is for you. That is the day you should think and write down your goals and dreams with some coach. And I don't know, see, there are different modalities into goal setting also. Okay, nothing is bad. The one you believe will work for you, right? I have learned from multiple people and then I combined and clustered everything, the best of those things, right? And that's where I do. So I run this 7 days workshop. It is very small for students, professionals, everybody, and more than 500 people could do it. But I'll tell you, people who really took actions were the people who were fed up of the status quo and the society, and they were ready to be literally outcasted, right? And they joined a new community of people who all are outcasted actually.
So this is beautiful what you just, and I can actually feel it. So that's been a wonderful session, Saurabh. And if your life is the biggest priority, why not design it? You could probably get in touch with Three Catalysts and the Gold Sheet Club. I think they will be able to help you designing your life, give you a lot of clarity on what you want, especially the youngsters and the kids who have just finished their 12th and their undergrad and their postgrad. Get in touch with us, write to us, write to Three Catalysts. And thank you, Saurabh, so much for this. It was a great session today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rashiji. It was wonderful.